Apple. I eat an apple. The apple is red. Do you like apples? Yes, I like apples. Pear. This pear is sweet. I have a pear in my bag. Do you want a pear? Yes, I want a pear. Banana. The banana is yellow. I eat a banana every morning. Do you eat bananas? Yes, I eat bananas. Spinach. The spinach is green. I cook spinach with garlic. Do you eat spinach? Yes, I eat spinach. Orange. I drink orange juice. The orange is big. Do you like oranges? Yes, I like oranges. Pepper. The pepper is green. I cook rice with pepper. Do you eat peppers? Yes, I eat peppers. Cherry. The cherry is red. I have many cherries. Do you want cherries? Yes, I want cherries. Watermelon. The watermelon is sweet. We eat watermelon in summer. Do you like watermelon? Yes, I like watermelon.